just east of the old Stapleton International Airport and south of Denver County Jail, a 123-acre nature center secures a few remnants of wilderness surrounded by human development. The Bluff Lake Nature Center is a little gem to run away to when civilization becomes too uncivilized. Bluff Lake is home to 200-plus bird species available during the annual cycle of seasons, and the variety of raptors is excellent. At this time of year, the early nesting species are visible, as you will see. Sand Creek transects the property, and along with the lake, waterfowl take advantage of the opportunity to just hang out in the winter months. These hooded mergansers were a wonderful surprise. Mind you, that doesn't mean I'm disparaging the mallards or the common goldeneye. But I was looking for raptors, and as I scanned the skyline, up on a communications tower to the north and east of the jail, a pair of bald eagles were enjoying the morning sun. I estimate these young balds are about 4 years old. Their beaks still show some dark coloration, and their heads are showing some of the dark feathers from their first year. You will see this plainly as they occupy a nest to the west of this tower and busy themselves with upgrading their nursery. Last year, I saw them a few times at this old red-tail nest, but as one of the prison guards told me, they failed to nest. This year, the young couple may have better luck. This is the view from the direction of one of the jail's guard towers, where one of the guards described a pair of eagles tumbling through the air with talons locked right in front of the astonished sheriff's deputies. Here you can readily see some immature coloration still visible on the head and on the beak. After this year's molt, they should have the classical appearance we are all familiar with. At the south side of Bluff Lake, this immature red-tailed hawk caught my attention. It appeared to have little concern about being quite close to me as I filmed from a tripod. Then I noticed the young hawk had a problem with its left eye. Could this be why the hawk was not concerned about being so close? Had the hawk lost its ability to accurately judge depth of field, which is how a predator determines distances accurately? This is called binocular vision. Maybe its vision problems had occurred quite recently, or maybe the hawk adapted to the handicap quickly to live this long. I hope my future visits will find this beautiful hawk alive and thriving. Despite its visual challenges, this young red-tailed hawk seemed to be otherwise healthy as it watched for and pursued hunting opportunities. Its wet feathers indicate it had been hunting this marshy area for much of the morning. Last but not least, the earliest nesting raptor in Colorado keeps her eggs warm. On one of the trails that takes you along Sand Creek, an attentive observer will find this great horned owl's nest not far off the trail. Great horned owls do not make their own nests. They take over nests from other birds like hawks or collapsed magpie nests and adjust them to their own purposes, which could include up to 3 or 4 youngsters. I will be back to see how this apex predator's family develops. Great horned owls are the most common large owl in North America. Their success at adapting to a variety of habitats finds them in cities, deserts, mountains, and jungles. And comparing them to being the coyotes of the bird world would not be far from the truth. They eat everything they can hang on to, including each other. Thank you for watching our raptor videos. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking on our logo on the lower right side of the screen. Your comments are welcome. They help us improve your raptor encounters.